Tanino Bacuramin Kak Saruga Basengat Kak Jubata. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Hendriani Saputri Tiadora. I'm student of Bali Tourism Institute. In this video, I want to tell you about Waterfall MERASAP in Bengkayang Regency. Bengkayang is a regency in West Kalimantan Province, Indonesia, that directly adjacent to Malaysia. Bengkayang located about 4 until 5 hours the capital city of Pontianak, and can be accessed by car and motorcycle. Bengkayang has a various of nature potential, and one of that is MERASAP waterfall. MERASAP waterfall located in the village of Sugonde Batang Air, Sanggolongo District, Bengkayang Regency, West Borneo Province. MERASAP waterfall has height reached more than 20 meters and the width around 8 meters. MERASAP waterfall is still natural and has a selling point to attract tourists. The waterfall also has clear water plus the beauty of natural of tropical rainforest ecosystem and overground habitat of bearing trees. In addition to functioning as a tourism attraction, MERASAP waterfall is also used one of the power sources built by hydropower. Uniquely, in this place also made as one of the locations of worship for the Catholic people. For its location that is located right above the Gua Maria or Cape of Mary, MERASAP waterfall is about 62 km from Bengkayang city. The capital city of Bengkayang Regency, or approximately 130 km east of Singkawang city, or 300 km from Pontianak city, can be visited with the 2 wheels vehicles or 4 wheels. Its location is near with the country border, which is Malaysia, especially in Sarawak. Make this tourism attraction very interesting to visit because after you visit this place, you can continue toward your journey to the border area. If you and your family visit to Wales, Borneo, there is not reason for you not doing traveling to this beautiful place. I hope all of you can enjoy the hidden paradise in West Borneo, and we are so glad to welcome you all into our beautiful place, that's MERASAP waterfall. I think that's all about MERASAP